Okay, I stopped into the Water Dog here in Lynchburg. Kinda disappointing. Took about 25 minutes to get my burger. The burger was really dry. It did come with fries, but they put Parmesan cheese all over it for some reason, and there was way too much salt. Just not good. Also, I was only drinking water, and I think they refilled it one time after a good 15-minute span of it being empty. So I guess it's time to do some more DoorDash, since that's the only way I can make any money. Slight delay in the DoorDash. I had a moment of doubt, and I went to go get a haircut. And doubting even more now. Guess I have to get some work done today, huh? At some point, we have to dash. So that's what we're gonna do now. Let's go. All right, we're at Taco Bell again. Taco Bell. We're at Mercado's again. Mercado's. That last order, they tried to change the address on me to something that's 20 minutes away, and nice try, but that's not gonna work. Okay, it was a day, not a good one. Made a little bit of money, saw Lynchburg. Let me know down in the comments below if you think I should keep on going or if you think this is a total waste of my time. Thanks, see you tomorrow.